Mentri Peit tnat Social Welfare Bah Paul Lyngdoh menta sngi tarik naitung iathuh Sorkar kala Jingithuh advisory board jong Aiñ Pitndps khat khandais pa prapupra bala khmat da retired justice shivaji pandey but ngut dkhot ki senior advocate ka Meghalaya High Court ND Shullai pat TShering Yangi kani Aiñ kan Tehlakam Briew Bteng banle Kam Sniew wat hadien kila shahkem teng hakibor pulit.
Tieng kalong ba ki anjungi kimdei ban kut ha kot sada. Nada ngidan baro ki an bagi kut tang kot sada madu ban saya ke kata an. Ti da ka bangi beliau lenti menda ya ka detention. Kabalong preventive detention but ha ka juk kopor kalong punitive detention tu. Dia ka khangye ka ban ja ka crime but kalau gaji pencitam bro lada ka desi snem hadu asnem dia ka non bailable langat ha ni ka as ni dia kumba PUE ka dia ka baja dang sian ha ka tu ka kes Riverhoy district ka tu hi kala pen kenja ya ka jinglong open jo kini ki traffickers dia nak kemiliti ba lada kiai Bteng gini kikam dia kemudian ingin invoke baik dia kenegaraan but kanang han kaan kata ka jisn shakti yang kaan tu kanang jor kan hak kes jong ki goods ki by David Thick tang Meghalaya kemudian destroy no ki and the kidan pada ki kes ki ba involve ya ki interregional ka kes perang artili ki state government Antung ipet ka place of origin. Say for instance, namar ka Meghalaya kadai ka transit point. Apa kadai transit point kini ki nuar ki originate nanu ki deban lek sai. Ti nak tak daw ki beri ki omba beling embat mangi hane. Tindrai namar ba ni apply bat ni coordinate lambat ki state. Ya ka destruction kena de ka jimbat mo ikit kiar la IT state ka nak baki originate tendre kiran dan bon ki issues ki ba long interconnected but kani nak ta daw the meeting at the regional level kolong very important. Briefly what this act says is that we have to constitute an advisory board. An advisory board acts like a court of appeal where any detainee, if he feels that he has been wrongly confined or detained, he can make an appeal before the advisory board. We have notified a 3-member advisory board comprising of, as per copies circulated to you, Honorable Mr. Justice Retired Shivaji Pandey, Chairman, then Mr. ND Shullai, Senior Advocate, High Court of Meghalaya, as member, and Mr. TShering Yangi, Senior Advocate, High Court of Meghalaya, as member. So, there have always been complaints that repeat offenders, people who keep getting in and out of either police stations or jails and keep going back to drug trafficking. This act takes care of such cases because it empowers the state to detain such persons for a period of not less than 3 months without the advisory board extending up to 6 months. However, if the case is to be, if the detention has to cross 6 months, then the matter comes under the advisory board for its consideration.